And good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Friday, July 24th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Just an unbelievable week, unbelievable end of the week. We had 6 opportunities today, 5 in the NASDAQ, 1 in the ES, some really good trades. We had one that was a small one or a break even. The other ones were really nice. And I'm going to run through everything here from left to right in no particular time order. And the first trade we had in the NASDAQ was an RS. That was at around 59.50 after the 945 candle. And that trade went down. And it went down from 359. Some people were in at 850, 350, 850, and it went down under 325. So, 120 ticks on that trade. We were looking at the 33 level as a level that they had to break. Again, they tried for several candles here and couldn't. And, that was all she wrote, but not before 120 ticks. We tried a power play short at a 30, at 10.395. It made 12 ticks, but again, if anybody took 8, 10, 12 ticks, moved their stop down, they would have had a break even. It never re-triggered. So it was just a small scalp or a break even. We got a long trade, which was a butte at 62 quarter on the 1057 candle, and that one went all the way up. We had a target, and it was 462 quarter. Okay. And, the thing went up, again, another 40 points, 160 ticks. Everybody said they were out in here. Okay. Again, it's 160 ticks straight up. We could have held it. I told everybody in here that it was probably going to 520, but that there would be a pullback. And since everybody was out, we got our pullback signal. We were around 500. It went down. It made another 80 ticks to the downside. Beautiful trade there. Okay, that was an exhaustion trade. And then again, when it held here for several candles, it went back up. I said, look, guys, let me be very clear. The target is 520. Okay. So we have another opportunity. Okay. It did not go high enough here. Okay. However, even though it didn't go high enough here, we got a reversal signal or a potential pullback signal with this 3 candle combination. And it was an exhaustion trade, which means it was temporarily exhausted, which means it was probably going to pull back a little bit. But we weren't looking for a complete reversal on here. So when it held here and came back up after we had up to 80 ticks to the downside, I told everybody to get long at 05. And, the thing went all the way up to 30, up to another 100 ticks. The target was 60 ticks. It went further. And then we had a monster in the ES, just an unbelievable trade in the ES. We had a ZL in the ES. I got a short there that was around 10.15. Just an unbelievable 6-sick trade, 14.50. And we waited for it to come up. I told everybody when there was under a minute left in the candle, if it was right around, at that point, it was right around flat for the candle. I said, just hit it short, and boom, we got short there. And that was an unbelievable trade that made over 10 points. And again, straight down off that ZL. So we had a ZL here. These are our different setup types. We had a ZL there. We had an understanding trade here. We had an exhaustion trade here. We had a UT there. We had a power play here, and we had an RS there. So kind of a mixed bag. It's nice to have different bags in your toolbox, different playbooks that you can use. And look, guys, I want everybody to have a great weekend. Check us out, www.futurestradingcoach.com. We'll see you back in the room on Monday. If you're not registered, sign up for the trial. There's no credit card required. And you get 25 hours of calls, analysis, and get all your questions answered. And if you like what you see, we offer the call room on an ongoing basis or a full mentorship academy if you want to learn what we do. Have a great weekend, guys. See you on Monday.